Hello everybody, how you doing? This is FYS 101 and we are going over the final Focus 2 assignment. So far we've had 5 of these, and what we've done so far is we've gone through the different self-assessments of work, interest, personality, leisure, values, and skills. And now this last assignment we're going to combine those assessments together, and it's really simple to do the Focus 2 side. In terms of you just choose, okay, I want work interest, I'm looking at my skills and how my personality, my values tie into that. I'm going to continue, and it's going to give me a set of results. I'm going to do that and set that up via salary, update, and if I scroll on down, I have 3 occupations that appear in 4, and you may have to go into the instead of 4 out of 4, you might have to go out 3 out of 4 to really get some results here. So looking at this, these are the 3 occupations that have 4 out of 4. If we go into this grouping, 45 occupations have 3 out of 4. Well, you can see in terms of values, personality, and skills, what areas hit. So what's interesting is when you look at the work assessment here, my 4 out of 4 includes work. When I get into the 3 out of 4, my top ones don't include the work assessment at all. It's actually eliminating the work assessment. It's not until I get down towards the bottom here where it includes work, values. Got it? Scroll on down a little bit further. You can see how it changes, right? Between those. And so as a result, you have to be able to evaluate this and go, all right, what matters to you? Work, values, personality, or skills. Clearly this changes as you scroll down, look at the dots. They change here. Work, values, and personality is now off the table. That's how they grouped them up. And then if we go a little bit further, work is off the table. We have value, personality, and skills. And we take it a little bit further, etc. So you have to be able to kind of evaluate this part of it and go, what is going to be a priority for you and what's going to be of interest? So if you're somebody who only has maybe 2 results up in here where you have 4 out of 4, or if you choose 3 out of 3, you don't have to choose the same 4 I chose. You might actually want to have more of a leisure interest involved. That will change the results that are provided to you. But what I'm looking for you to do is take those results, group them by salary, so at least you can have some kind of hierarchy in what profession you're going to make more or less. And then if we go ahead, and I'll log into Blackboard here in a second and I'll go over it, so hold on. And so if we jump ourselves into module 4, we go into week 7, what you'll see in this Focus 2 assignment, when you look at this, you'll have several different questions. There'll be essay related, things you're very familiar with. But what I'm looking for now down here in the bottom of this, when you get to the last question, it's like, I'm interested to know, did this actually cause you to kind of evaluate your career path, and are you staying a course? Or if you're going to maybe like look at other alternative areas of employment, I'd like to know why. Quite frankly, because if you look at what we do in this class, I try to provide value to my students, and if we find that the Focus 2 is completely worthless, which after teaching this class numerous times, I've not found that to be the case, but let me know, because it might be the way I'm administering these assignments. So let me know your thoughts on this in terms of, did these series assignments help you to kind of reevaluate, or did it substantiate your career path? So with that, guys, I'm going to sign off. Let me save all my answers here. And this video will obviously be found in week 7 here. I just haven't loaded it up yet. It'll be found in here in this Focus 2 combining assignments. All right, guys, have a great one. And you got one more week to go. Hang in there.